Hey, it's Chef K, and welcome to my home. It's rare to find a single-story home in LA, and when I first walked in here, I was like, wow, sprawling, tall ceilings, had the beautiful kitchen. I just had to tweak it out and turn it all black. So, dining room, I'm a hardcore Catholic. You know, everything is a blessing, everything's an opportunity, and this falls in a special place in my heart. It's a Last Supper. When it comes to the table, I wanted to give it a humble feel. Concrete, wood, that's why we have the basket weave, just kind of like my version of the Last Supper. And right at the end of the dining table is a little memento to the heart of everything that I'm made out of. My father, my grandfather, rosaries I've collected, you know, little bits and pieces of my culinary journey. I guess when you're a bachelor and you got 5 bedrooms, what better way to get ready than to make your own glam room? I wanted to do a seamless design, so I had my contractor and my painter do a limewash from all the way to the ceiling and down to the floor. But I wanted to keep it warm, so I kept the white oak. I love mid-century designs, kind of like sexy. So I did the chrome, the leather, the aviator seats. And of course, being a foodie, there's always snacks everywhere. On the Supreme pile, you want to see more Supreme? Follow me. I would say this is more like a locker room than a closet. This is the mini collection of the Supreme, from trunks, toolbox, water guns, bowls, chopsticks, gym mats. I also wanted to highlight, it's almost like this symbolizes like my team, and if it weren't for my team, I mean, there's really no Chef K, and that's the spirit of my team. You know what I mean? Welcome to my primary suite. Dark, 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 monochromatic. It's the most peaceful color for me, just black. But also, we can't just do flat black, so I added texture. Wallpaper, wainscoting, and then add sparks of, again, the mid-century. This is Suki, she's 2 years old, micro poodle. Fletcher, my senior one, 13 years old, coton d'Italie. And it's pretty apparent that I only sleep in this side of the bed because they're always here. You got this, it's just a constant reminder of just keep it moving and just go on, you know? Simple words like that, like you got this, go very, very far. They say this is where the magic happens, but let me show you where the real magic happens. Come to the kitchen. So welcome to the kitchen. We're making sliders, what I'm known for. You can make it on the grill. I prefer cast iron skillet. A lot of my food is nostalgic, and sliders are one of the best things I've ever, I guess, made. You get the perfect ratio of the bun to the meat, to the cheese, but the secret's always in the sauce. I love to cook. I can cook as much as you can eat. As long as you eat, I will cook. Cheese, all American. I like to put pepper on top of the cheese. I figured it out by eating about like 1,000 of these. My pain, your gain. Butter your buns and butter them well, so it keeps the burger moist. Sauce on the bottom, sauce on top. And that's your perfect slider. Yum. Well, that's it for the tour. Thanks so much for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed everything.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.